This is Kashif here, and I represent a franchise consultancy called Sparkle Minds. I'm a franchise consultant, and we are helping Liance. Liance is a project marketing management franchise based out of Kolkata. Okay, what we do is we take up the projects of builders and developers, and we market the projects. Okay, so we are looking for two models. One is a master franchise and a unit franchise model. They are presently from Kolkata, called Somani Realtors. They are working on 110 plus projects in Kolkata, and out of which 80 are exclusively marketed by Somani Realtors. Now they are looking for an expansion all across the country through the franchise route. Yeah, so under the brand name Liance. So we are looking for a master franchisee for the whole state of Andhra Pradesh, who will be responsible for the whole AP region, and a unit franchise will be for one particular city. Now, when we are talking about Hyderabad, Hyderabad will be one city wherein we are divided Hyderabad into 5 zones: north, south, east, west. Each zone is one unit. Okay, so that is the franchise model. The investment to take up a master franchise is 20 lakh, and the investment to take up a unit franchise it is 10 lakh. We take up the projects of builders and developers. Okay, we take up the sole marketing rights and we market the projects. Okay, now we're talking of projects like residential, commercial, and also land. And we also do LIG, MIG housing. So these are the services that we provide. We have a total different distinction. Being in the industry from the past 15 years, we know what our distinction is from the normal other real estate brokers. Because what happens is the real estate industry as such is very unorganized. Okay, and you have no big players as such in this particular field. Okay, now say if you're talking of a burger, now I know how to make a burger, okay, but I cannot franchise the system, because now the same thing, if I take up McDonald's burger and I try to franchise it, I can do that because it has the brand name and they will impart their training and their processes and the systems. Now that is how, when you're talking of a real estate franchise, there will be Liance who will come into the picture. They will impart their training, their processes and systems in place, and they will accordingly train you as to how you're going to provide the customer service. So we have a total different distinction altogether. See, this franchisee expo is a very good medium for us to get franchisees, because we have people from various walks coming in and looking for franchise opportunities. Okay. Yeah, who are looking to start up new businesses. So we will understand, we'll have them understand what is our concept, and we'll accordingly, get the franchise. So we are expecting a good response from AP, and in fact, from the last 2 days, we've got quite a number of applicants who are interested in taking up the master franchise. So maybe we would come back in the end of this month, and we are going to have one-to-one meeting with all the people who are interested in taking up a franchise.